Hi guys, we're back Mafetu, another day, another video. There's a story here, Mafetu. So there was a rumor that ATM was started by you, Mr. Jacob Zuma, to counter ENC in 2017 or 2018 and so. So now there's an article written by William Pungula says ATM cut ties with Jacob Zuma's MKP. Let's read the article, it's by Ispate Lindon. The African Transformation Movement has cut ties with Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe Party. In a media briefing on Monday in Durban to outline its local government election plan, the party's Secretary General Thandisizwe Kukula said although the two parties had discussed a political and voting pact, the party has decided to contest election independently. What's the reason? We had to know because in politics, man, unity is something that, especially South African politics, black politicians are unity. They don't know the word united for the benefit of black emancipation. He said the talk did not yield any result and there is no standard agreement on cooperation between the parties. The thing with MKP is ran like a fiefdom. With MKP, what a potential, what a wasted potential with MKP. What a wasted. It's just like their mother party ANC. Wasted potential. Numbers, but there's no future there. We wish to clarify and dismiss the perception that we have a political relationship with the MKP. We have no relationship with the MKP and we are going to contest the upcoming election independently, says Kukul. Now, this statement is very important because a lot of people are saying ATM was started by Uzuma, is ran by Uzuma through Nkandla, is a satellite party of the MK party. They try to infiltrate in Eastern Cape using MKP, using ATM MKP. That was the theory. So when ATM comes out and clear things out, at least voters can decide now based on facts. He also dismissed the long-held public view that Zuma held a hand in the formation of the ATM, saying that it was misinformation as the party's formation was conceived by the 12th Apostle Church leader, Professor Caesar Nonqunga. The party was founded in 2018, the same year Zuma was disposed as president of the country by his then party, the ANC. But you can see, man, the parallels here. You can see the logic of people who are saying these things that he was from Zuma. Same thing as in the COPE, because there was no evidence that COPE was started by Umpeg, but Umpeg was being counted as one of the people who started COPE behind the scenes. It was believed that it was founded by Zuma's ANC faction with the aim of reducing the ANC majority in parliament so it could seek a coalition agreement. However, the ATM did not attract many votes in the 2019 general election. MKP spokesperson Sifiso Mahlangu had not responded to questions sent to him. The ATM briefing was also attended by the party's parliamentary caucus leader Vuyo Zungula, who explained why it has appealed the Western Cape High Court decision to grant President Cyril Ramaphosa an interim order to stall the impeachment proceedings against Zungula said the party felt strongly that the court erred in the allowing the president to block the functionality of parliament, particularly one of its core responsibilities, which is to hold the executive to account. On Friday, two of the three judges found that the president had made a case in his application to temporarily halt the implementation process pending the outcome of his review application against former Judge Sandile Ngcobo's report. In his report in 2022, Ngcobo found that Ramaphosa had a case to answer on the Phala saga, where dollars were stolen. Ngcobo's report was meant to pave the way for the impeachment process. However, the ANC-led parliament blocked the establishment of the committee using its majority. In May this year, the Constitutional Court found that parliament was wrong and directed that the impeachment process must continue. Yeah. The parliament is a circus, big circus, all clowns there. And in parliament, there's guys, I got nothing to say, my friend. Please like, please subscribe, please comment down below. Do you think ATM made the right decision and MKP to distance itself from the? Do you think ATM made the right decision to distance itself from the MKP, or will regret later? I know, my friend. See you in the next video.